What's up, guys? And today we're going to be trying to get a new record on something that I downloaded. Where is it? Oh, there it goes right there. Called Happy Bear Pro. We're going to be trying to beat a score called it's 33. And I know some of you may be like, oh, that's really easy. But no, it's hard. Look at it. You see how they just fall down? So, gotta try to keep them steady. Let's see if we can beat 33. Wow, this is very hard. Wow, this is very hard. Oh, and some of you can download it from the Play Store or wherever you get your downloads from. Now I gotta try to beat 4. Come on, huh? Come on, sweat. Come on. Come on, we can do it. If I pass 10, I'm gonna be on fire. Why can't I beat that? Come on, now I'm gonna try to pass 9. Oh my goodness. Alright. It's only have 3 more tries left. 2 more tries left. Alright, 1 more try. Come. Alright, on this one, I'm just trying my best. Alright, well, that's it, man. Like and subscribe, and yeah, that's it.